Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2020 IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate Box. I'm so excited that this got here because last month my June Ultimate Box got lost. So I actually got that in the mail a couple days ago, and then with this box I went to check my IPSY app to make sure it was tracking on time, and I couldn't see any tracking information again. But then luckily I was surprised to open my door today and see that it was here. So I think IPSY has to fix their app because their tracking system, especially with the Glam Bag Ultimates, doesn't seem to be completely accurate. I'm just relieved that it got here this time because this is a $50 a month box. Last month I was actually very happy, or last month's box, although it came this month. I can have that video linked down below if you want to see what I got in my lost June IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate Box, but I was actually really happy with it. So I'm glad it wasn't fully lost and I actually got it. So that was kind of about the IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate, because for $50 I want it to really be worth it because that's a lot of money. And at first the Glam Bag Ultimate boxes were not fabulous in my opinion, or most people's opinions it seemed when I would read through the comments. But if you're not familiar with IPSY, it's a monthly beauty subscription service, and it's supposed to be customized to you based off of the feedback that you leave on the app from your products each month and a very detailed quiz that you fill out. However, it doesn't always seem like they listen to that feedback, but I hope that it gets better. I also really appreciate that now I can choose one product for each of my glam bags, and I get all 3 levels of IPSY. So I get to choose 3 products each month that I know I'm gonna get. So the 3 levels of IPSY are this one here, the $50 Ultimate, then the $25 Glam Bag Plus box, which I already received for the month of July, and I did an unboxing video. So I can also have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see what I got in that box. And then I get the $12 a month IPSY Glam Bag, which I have not received yet, but I will definitely be doing my unbagging of that once I get it. I'll also be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in my box, because I have this trying a new makeup product everyday series that I do on my channel. And then I'm also really excited to do a full face makeup tutorial at the end of the month using all of my IPSY products. And that's a great way for me to update you on how I've been liking the products. So lots of exciting content coming, so make sure you're subscribed, turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of that. But without further ado, let me show you what I got in my box. Okay, so here's what it looks like at first glance. On top is the makeup bag. So that's something that sets IPSY apart from BoxyCharm, is you always get a makeup bag. And this is cute. I like the shape, and it's got this kind of plasticky rubber material, and very summery. This one says now boarding. Oh, I really wish I could go on a cruise or a vacation, but that's just not really what we're supposed to be doing during these coronavirus times. And then they give these cards now that don't have product information. You actually have to go into the app to get that information. So it says I'm supposed to get $250 plus value in this Glam Bag Ultimate. And this is just kind of how to do a beauty staycation, but I'm gonna get these same tips 3 times. So I think IPSY could avoid sending out cards and just put that information in the app or in an email. But it looks like I have a lot of products in here, so let me just start pulling some out. First here I have, I think this is from the brand J. Jung Cosmetics. It's green tea eye gel patch, and this is a 3-pack. I really do like eye masks, so I'm sure I'll use these. The IPSY app does not tell me the retail value of these, so that could mean that it's not full-size product. I don't know. I much prefer getting makeup products, so I'm hoping I'll see some great makeup products in this, but as far as skincare products go, I do like eye masks. And then a little tiny product right here. This is from the brand Hydra Soother Balancing Radiance Cream. This is seriously so tiny. That's kind of frustrating. It's like a face cream, but this will seriously not even last more than a few days. So that's kind of a bummer. They should be sending bigger products than that for $50. Here I have Beauty for Real. Ooh, eyeshadow sticks. So here is a makeup product that I am going to resist opening and swatching right now so that I can save it for those full dedicated review videos. So these are the Beauty for Real Shadow Sticks 24/7 Eyeshadow Duo in Midnight Marathon and Ever Starstruck. So this does say retail value of $38 for the two of them, I'm assuming. And it looks like a champagne shade and a brown shade, which are two of my favorite shades to wear on my eyes. So I'm excited to try that out. Oh, and then here's another Il Makiage product. I got an eyeshadow from this brand in my Plus box, but I like this brand. I've been able to try out a lot of products from them through IPSY, and this is the Brow Pen in Latte. Oh, I love brow products. So this is the product that I chose for my Glam Bag Ultimate, and you'll see in my empties video that I'll do at the end of the month that I actually just used up one of my favorite brow pencils. So I'm hoping that I'll like this one to be my new daily brow pencil. So I'll definitely be doing a dedicated video on this one soon. Oh my gosh, this is interesting. This is from the brand Foxy Bay Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask. Ooh, sulfate and paraben free plus biotin. I love biotin. I take biotin supplements every day. But this is not what any hair mask I've ever tried before looks like. It's a bunch of these individual packs, which is interesting. But I love hair masks. I use one every time I wash my hair. So I will definitely be using this. So when it comes to hair products, a hair mask is something that I like to get, and this is just cool. This is not a brand I've heard of before. All of the skincare and hair care brands that I've pulled out so far are brands that I have not tried before, which is always fun to try out new brands and a new packaging type of hair mask. And so I guess that's great for travel as well. Next up, another skincare product. This is from the brand Awake. It's Glow Pill Super Serum. Now I have a lot of serums because of IPSY. Ooh, cute packaging on this though. A hydrating serum. Has vitamins, B3, B5, antioxidant benefits. So it sounds like a pretty standard type of serum, but I use serums like this every day. It's vegan and cruelty-free. This retails for $39, which is pretty expensive in my opinion. And I forgot to mention that the Foxy Bay Replenishing Hair Mask set of 8 retails for $28.95. So it's kind of a bummer that I don't have retail value on all of these to be able to add up and know if I really got that $250 plus value. So this here, French Vanilla, the coffee scrub, I mentioned in one of my most recent videos where I got another coffee scrub that I don't like getting coffee scrubs. They're so messy. I don't love the smell of them, and I always put on my IPSY feedback that I don't want coffee scrubs. So this is, you know, like my 3rd or 4th coffee scrub that I've got. And I think that this might be the product, or it could be this next one that I'll pull out and show you, that IPSY sent me an email saying that they sent a repeat product in my Glam Bag Ultimate. And if it's the coffee scrub, that's a bummer because I didn't even want that the first time around. But they gave me 1,200 extra points to redeem because that they messed up and gave me a repeat item, which I like that they owned up to it, but I wish that they had more products to redeem in the points store or something, whatever it's called. I'm hoping that they'll add more products soon. I don't understand how often IPSY adds products. But then this other product here, this is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So I have tried this out. I've received this 2 or 3 times already in different boxes. I'm pretty sure I received a small one in an IPSY Glam bag a long time ago, and I really liked it. And I did a full dedicated review video on it, which I can have linked down below if you want more information on the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So this is also technically a repeat item, so that could also count. So I think I got 2 repeat items, but this is a product that I am happy to have again, unlike the coffee scrubs, because I use setting powders like this every day. I like a loose setting powder these days, so I would definitely use this. Next, I will pull out, ooh, beautiful packaging on this. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. It's Sakura, I probably pronounced that wrong, and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. Ooh. Cruelty-free and vegan. I really like the Seraphine Botanicals brand because it's like natural makeup, but really beautiful. I've tried out a few different products from this brand that I got through IPSY, but even this beautiful floral packaging alone has me so excited about this product. But let's see what it actually looks like. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. And it's big too. Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous. Blush, bronzer, beautiful eyeshadows, lots of sparkle. Oh, I'm so excited to play around with this. This will probably be one of the first products I try out when I review all of my products. But I love to know in the comments down below if there are any products that I pull out that you really want me to review first or right away. Next up we have, this is a nice packaged product. It's like an envelope. Oh, oops, I ripped it, but I feel like this is brushes. Brushes are something that I don't really want, and these look familiar, like I've received these brushes before as well. These are from the brand Larousse. So I got a contour brush, kabuki brush, tapered blending. Ooh, they seem really nice. Shadow brush, foundation brush, a flat one. But I just really don't need any more brushes, and I'm always giving IPSY that feedback that I don't want brushes, yet I seem to get them every single month. So this is the Larousse Essential Brush Set. Wow, retail value of $154. So this would be a really great gift for me to give someone, because I was just saying I don't need any more brushes, but these are really beautiful, great quality brushes, and I'll try and keep it in this nice packaging to gift to someone else. My mom's birthday is coming up, and I'm sure she could use some nice brushes, so maybe I'll give those to her. And then I got, ooh, it's squished. Hopefully the product is okay. Beautiful packaging. I'm sad it's squished. This is Catherine Melandrino Special Moments. Ooh, a perfume. I actually really like getting perfumes from IPSY because I like trying out lots of different perfumes, and this is a great way to do so. So I'm gonna give this one a little try. Ooh, okay, this one I really like. This smells beautiful. It smells very clean, a little bit like soap, but not in a bad way. But it also has floral and fruity notes to it. I don't know if this will make sense, but the scent of it goes with the packaging, like the pink and the gold and the white, and just this very feminine packaging, but then bright and happy. That's what this scent reminds me of, so this will definitely be my new daily scent. I love it. And this is not a brand that I have heard of before, but it's very nice. And then my last product here, oh, another Pure Lease product. This is Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes. Soap and sulfate free. I don't want any more cleansers. I have so many great cleansers that I've gotten in my boxes that I haven't been able to use up yet. Although I am excited for Purlisse because I've been loving the Purlisse BB cream. It's amazing. I just got a Purlisse primer in my Plus box that I'm really excited to try, but I don't need a cleanser, even though this is probably really nice, so I will use it. But when it comes to my glam bags, I want products that I need and products that I'll use right away rather than products that are gonna sit for a while. And that's why I always make sure to review my products, let IPSY know what I want and what I don't want, and it would just be so much better, right? If they listened to the feedback, and it would make me so much happier with my box. But all in all, I'm not disappointed in this month's box. I did not get as much makeup as I would have wanted. I only got 4 makeup products. 4 makeup products out of the 12 products that I got. And I don't really feel like I got $250 worth of products. I mean, $154 of that is the brushes that I don't even want. So that's where it's kind of a bummer to me, because they'll throw in one really expensive product to add a lot of value to the box, but when it's not even a product that I am going to use, it just makes it feel like I didn't get the value that I would have wanted. Let's see, I'm gonna do a recap and see if this is at least $50 worth of products, but I kind of think it's not, because they're not products that I would have purchased on my own. But let me do that recap. So first off, we've got the Larousse brushes, the Purlisse cleansing milk, the coffee scrub, the Foxy Bay hair masks, the Awake serum, the Hydra Soother Radiance cream, the Jejung Cosmetics green tea eye patches, the perfume from Catherine Melandrino Special Moments, the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, the Beauty for Real eyeshadow sticks, the Il Makiage brow pen, and the Seraphine Botanicals Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. And then, of course, the makeup bag. So when I was going through those, I was trying to think which are the products that I would have purchased on my own. And it's really just the Seraphine Botanicals palette, the Il Makiage brow pencil, the Beauty for Real eyeshadow sticks, and this perfume. The rest of the products I probably would not have purchased on my own because I'm really well stocked in those. So these ones here, maybe that would be around $50 or so that I would have spent on the products. So I got good products, just the thing that I keep repeating is that they're not products that I need, and I've told IPSY that. But the makeup products that I did get, I am very excited to try out. So let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any of these products that I showed today and what your thoughts are on them. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.